everyone, myself Anshu Sharma from CSE department at RPIIT Bastada, Karnal. Now we will discuss about the software processes. When you work to build a product or the system, it is important to go through a series of steps. It means a roadmap that helps to create the timely high quality result, or we can say the software. The definition of the software processes may be the software processes is a set of activities whose goal is the development or evaluation of the software, or we can say it is a set of activities and associated results which produces the software product. Component software processes, it is consisting of many component processes. It means the software consists of many component processes, each consisting of a certain type of activity. Each of these component processes has a different objective. There are the two major components in the software process. First one is the product engineering process, and second one is the process management process. The product engineering process is further divided into the three parts. First one is the development process, second one is the project management process, and third one is the software configuration management process. Now we will discuss about the product engineering process. In it, the main goal of these processes is to produce the desired product. Product engineering has the three components. First one is the development process. The development process specifies the development and the quality assurance activities that need to be performed, and the development activities are performed by the programmers, designers, or tester, etc. Second one is the project management processes. The planning and scheduling the task and monitoring their execution come in this domain. The project management process activities are performed by the project management. Third one is the software configuration management. It means it is the process that deals with the managing the changes so that the integrity of the product is not violated. Sometimes the changes in the requirement may be handled separately by the requirement change management process. The software configuration control process activities are performed by a group that is called as the configuration controller. Second one is the process management process. The management process specifies how to plan and control these activities so that the cost, schedule, and the quality and other objectives can be met. The basic objective of the process management is to improve the software process. By the improvement, we mean that the capability of the processes to produce the quality goods at low cost is also improved. The process management process activities are performed by the software engineering process group. Thank you.